Hello, I'm Elaine Piling Chong, and today I'm going to compare and contrast Mongo and Postgres. This is a part of our big data CA, and I was asked to do step two, like question two to question 8, using Mongo and Postgres, and to compare how it works. Mongo is a NoSQL database, not only SQL, which is a schema-free, and we don't have to create table in the beginning. It just use JavaScript as server-side script, so we can create function. For example, this one we can create a function. Yeah, I'm using JavaScript. So let's go through the question one. In question one, we asked to insert the document into a table, like not table, we call it collection. So first we need to insert the data. Um, as I mentioned before, in Mongo we don't have to create a collection before we start. We can just insert without any predefined. So like DB is a database. Movie is a collection name, and insert it insert all um the data, and then if we want to load the function, we can just create a function called insert movie, get all the parameter title, writer, year, actor, and insert into the movie collection. And yeah, so we insert the title, writer, years, and actors in the same time, but I have a problem when we want to insert the Hobbit, because the Hobbit does have the franchise, and it didn't include the actors, so we can't use the same function anymore. So I just insert manually, like all the just key in all the information, and this is how I do question 2. If you want to do this in Progress, that's a bit like we need to create a database and then create a table for movies, for actors, movie actors, because we want to link it together. It's possible that one actors act more than one movies, so we need to create another tables called actors and link them together. And then since we need to create table in the beginning, so we have to take consideration of the franchise and synopsis. Like we need to declare it as empty string, or if they don't have the year, we just put it at not, and all the data must be filled. So after insert the movie, we insert the actor, and there's a case when we want to insert the movie actor, insert data into movie actors, because as I mentioned before, when we, for example, Brad Pitt, he act more than 2 movies, and we don't want to have the same actors in the actors movie. So we create a function in SQL. We pass the movie name and pass the actor name. We declare the variable they insert, like to make sure did they insert the data into the table, and the actor ID. We select actor ID into the actor ID. This is a local variable from actors table where name equal actor name. If it doesn't return anything, then we insert the new actor into the table, returning the ID. But if it does return the ID, then we just use the ID and insert into the movie actors tables. So after we got the actor IDs, and we say insert into movie actors, which the movie name ID and actor ID is, this query will return the movie ID. So we get the movie ID where the name call, for example, uh, like Fight Club, and then the actor ID. So it help you to insert data to check is the actor inside the actors table. If it does not, then we insert the new actor. So we just pass all uh the movie name and actor name, and we will do all the thing. So let's go to the question 3. In question 3, we need to get all the document. So in Mongo, it's very easy. Just use db.movie.find. What this .pretty mean is, when we do .pretty, it will return all the data in a very nice order. But if we do like just do .find, all the data will look very messy. And then in progress, we just select all from movies. It do the same thing. So yes. Um, so it will return all the movies. And second, we want to find get all the document where the writer is Quentin Tarantino. So we say db.movie.find where the writer name is called Quentin Tarantino. For this one, is also very easy. We just put a where clause, just say where the writer is Quentin Tarantino. So it do the same thing to if you want to find actor which have brand P. Is a little bit different. It is the same thing for the MongoDB. We just do db.movie.find, and then the actor name, because actors is a array, and it will do the same thing. We want to find a brand P, but in progress we link two tables with using movie actors. So we need to like, from movie we call M actors A, and movie actors MA, where the movie ID in the movies table is matched the movie ID in movie actors table, and also the actor ID in movie actors table match the actor ID in actor, and the name is brand P. Okay, so another thing, the question number 4 is we want to get all the document with franchise set to the Hobbit. We do the same thing again. Just do the franchise equal is the Hobbit and show all the result. And it's the same thing again in progress. The fifth question. We say we want to get all movies released in the 90s. So 90s is from 1990 to 1999. 1999. In Mongo, we can define a variable like 90s, less than or equal 1999, and greater than or equal 1990. And we say we want to find the year which is less than or equal to 1999 and greater than or equal to 1990. It will return all the result. So in progress we say is bigger or equal to 1990 or less than 1999. You'll get the same result if we run the query. The second question is we want to year before 2000 or after 2010. So in this case is before, which means less than 2000 or greater than 2010. So we use or operator. In the it's same thing in progress, we use or to find the document. And so right now question number 4, we're trying to update the Hobbit, which called An Unexpected Journey, and add the synopsis inside into this movies. So we just say update movie set synopsis equal to blah blah blah, and where the title is The Hobbit and an unexpected journey. Mongo we just use db.movie update where the title is The Hobbit and Unexpected Journey, and set the synopsis to this. So question 1 and 2 is the same thing, just repeat the same query with different data. And okay, we want to add an actor named Samuel to the movie Pulp Fiction. We use in progress we use the function we create earlier called add movie actors. This one, just add movie actors, pass the movie name and actor name. It will do all the things for you. For Mongo, because it's an array like for the actors, so we just push the array. Push mean like add Samuel inside the actor, so Samuel will have, so in this movie we will have 3 actors, we include Samuel. Question 5, we want to find all movie that have synopsis that contain the word Bilbo. In progress we just select all from movies where synopsis light is the thing that we can use for search, like they contain a word like Bilbo. And in Mongo we say db.movie.find synopsis. This thing is do the same thing like as same as this one, as same as this symbol. These two do the same thing. So we just write whatever we want. Like we want to find something, we want to find a movie where the synopsis have Gandalf inside. And question 3, we say we want to find a synopsis that contain the word Bilbo but not the Gandalf. So and not the Gandalf, so we say and using query like synopsis contain Bilbo and synopsis not contain Gandalf. And in progress we say synopsis like Bilbo and synopsis not like Bilbo Gandalf. And I will end my part 1. So this is my part 1 for the screencast, and I will continue part 2.